Today we will do exercise 6a. Solve by long division method in your notebook. So you will write exercise 6a in your copy and today's date. Now question number 1. So here we have to solve the given equation by long division method in our notebook, that is our copy. So first question is 1253 divided by 7. Since it is long division method, so we will write like this: 1253 7. So we will take the first number. First number is 1, which is less than 7. So we will take two number, that is 1 and 2, which is 12. So 7, a number, we have to recite the table of 7 and we have to find out a number which is nearer to 12, but it should be less than 12, not more than 12. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, but we cannot take 14. Like this we will write the table: 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. So here 14 is greater than 12. So we cannot take 14. Instead of taking 14, we will take 7. So 7 ones are 7. Now we will subtract. So we know how to subtract. From 12 we have to subtract 7. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here is 5. Now we will put down the next number, that is 5. Now we will recite the table of 7. So 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56. So we can see 56 is more than 55. So we will take 7 sevens are 49. Now we will subtract 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So we can see the remainder is 6. One more number is remaining, so we will put down. So like this you will put down the number. So here will be 3. Now the next number up to 8 we are knowing. So we need a number which is 63. So 7 nines are 63. So we got the number. So 7 nines are 63. So the remainder is 0. So like this you will complete question number 1. Now children, question number 2. 6488 divided by 8. Again, since we have to take long division method, so we will write like this. Now we will see the table of 8. So everybody know the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64. So children, since 6 is smaller than 8, so we will take two number, that is 6, 4, 64. Both the number we will take. So we are from the table of 8, we know 8 eights are 64. So 8 we have to write here in the place of quotient. 8 eights are 64. So it will be cancelled. So it is cancel, and we see here it is 0. Now we will put the next number, that is 8. So we are knowing 8 ones are 8. It is also cancel. Now we will put the last number, again it is 8. So 8 ones are 8. Like this we will solve the given number. So like this you will subtract. Here also subtraction is there, and we are getting the remainder, which is 0. Now we will do question number 3. So those who have learned the table, they will feel easy for completing the questions. So question number 3. 3,789 divided by 9. So again we will make a division, long division. 3,789. So 9 is the divisor. Now we can see 3 is less than 9. So we will take 3 and 7 both. So we have to find the number which is near to 37 in the table of 9. But it should be less than 37. So 9 fours are, we are knowing 9 fours are 36. Now subtract it, we are getting remainder 1. We are putting the next number, 9 twos are 18. Again subtraction is there, and the last number 9 we will put it down. So 9 ones are 9. Here you can write 0 after subtracting, or if you don't want to write, no need to write. So like this we have completed question number 3. Now question number 4. So like this you will complete in your copy. Question number 5 up to we will do, and from question number 6 we will do tomorrow. So question number 4, how you will do? 2,952 divided by 8. 2,952 divided by 8. So we can see here 2 is smaller than 8, so we will take the both the numbers, that is 29. So 8 threes are 24. Now subtract it, it is 5. Again 5, a number which is near to 55, that is 8 6 are 48. After subtracting we are getting 7 and 2. 8 9s are 72. So like this we can complete question number 4. Now question number 5. 2,619 divided by 9. 619 divided by 9. Again we can see that here 2 is smaller than 9, so we will take 2 number, that is 26. So 9 threes are 27, which is more than 26, so we will take 9 twos are 18. Now we will subtract. So 8 and 1 we will put down from the next number. So 9 nines are 81. So here also subtracting, after subtracting it is 0. Now the last number 9, 9 ones are 9. So we have completed up to question number 5. The next day we will do from question number 6.